You know what? I am really, really busy, but I just had to seize this moment and record my 7th hour class because I am so, so very proud of them. They are independently coding. When they came in class, I explained to them that I had a very, very important task that I was trying to prepare for, and that I needed them to work independently on their coding activities that we have been working on for the last 3 days. I also informed them that if they had any difficulties or issues, that I needed them to support one another, and that if their issues were too difficult for me to assist them with, that those questions needed to be held off until tomorrow. Write them down on a piece of paper. And what I have witnessed, with the exception of this young man back here sleeping, could someone tap him for us? Could you please wake up? We need you. Are you doing your coding activities today? Why not? This computer ain't working. Okay. Is there? What's wrong with it? Can you help him troubleshoot that? Pull up your pants, baby.
I'm so sorry.
Please. Okay, assist him with that so he can get active. If not, this workstation is available. There's 2 available here. No excuses, people. We have no room for excuses. Okay? You guys are doing an excellent job. I asked at the beginning of the hour if you all thought that I did a decent enough job trying to introduce these lessons. And I pretty much heard the majority of you say yes. I heard someone mention no, but that's okay. Maybe that person was absent, or maybe, tomorrow we'll revisit some things, but that's also okay. But I just really needed to take a pause from preparing for a workshop that I'm going to play a part in facilitating today, and just congratulate them on a job well done. So this further validates that coding can be exciting and rewarding, and it could be a way to gain your students' attention, to actually enjoy what they're doing. But on the flip side, these youngsters are problem solving. They are solving problems, critically thinking, rearranging algorithms. Come on, baby, you're scratching your head. I need you to get in the game.
Man, Miss Nolan.
Okay? And what I'm seeing is a variety of tasks and quests taking place. I see people even working on an additional supplemental program that I introduced to the students Friday when Miss Mallory introduced the opportunity to facilitate Hour of Code, which is the 21 Things for Students website that has a wonderful module on coding and gaming. This is wonderful, wonderful. We are preparing our students and our learners for the 21st century so that they can have the skill sets needed in college and in workplace, no matter what field or industry they go into. They will be able to problem solve, approach a problem systematically, and try to evaluate multiple solutions. Are you guys playing a game that requires somebody to kill someone?
Yes, it's this monster.
The monster thing.
It's the monster thing.
Okay, so what is the object?
You have to go around and shoot him. You gotta basically kill.
Well, okay, can we stop playing that game? Can we start working on the workshops right here to build the code?
No, we gotta go through all of them.
Oh, so okay. Okay, so okay. Oh, I don't like the shooting, but okay, okay. I understand.
But you have to. It's like levels, like upper levels that you have to like use your mind and stuff to actually like get to.
Okay, so you guys gotta, work a little harder until you can get to where these youngsters are up
She's
here.
on a lower level. The
Okay.
level that we on, basically we gotta figure out how to sit here. Let me show you. Okay, so I hit play. Basically we gotta try. We got this much time to get all the way up here, and once the time run out, it's game over. We have to replay. So basically we gotta find a way how to put these time things up here so we can use them.
Okay, those time things are called objects.
Yeah, the object. So we gotta find try to find a way to get the objects on the board.
Okay, so what do you think this game is preparing you for as it relates to coding and where we're headed in the direction of building and designing?
How to find my tools.
How to find your tools and what else?
How to probably like look for like the time or something. Like look how to like search for like the things to get my work done.
Okay, you have to look for different strategies, solutions. So if one set of steps that you implement don't work, what do you have to do? Reset and try another?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Oh, you did it. I heard you all hour. You've been saying this so hard, and I just heard you say that you got it. You got it. So what these youngsters are doing right now, code.org provides some introduction learning experiences to engage students so that they can learn how to solve some problems so that they can get around it and try to regroup and try a different strategy. And they are enjoying it. So the next stage will be working on a game and building some blocks so that they can see if their program runs. So just like I said earlier, these are introduction lessons. You made a game? Oh, okay. We have someone who has advanced the game. So what kind of game is this that you built?
It's like a maze.
A maze?
Find your way to the.
Okay, well, can you play it for us?
You gotta get to
I'm on the lab.
before these can.
Okay. So explain to us what's going on. Wow. This is interesting. So are you really enjoying this? Wow, level 1 completed. Great job. Clap it out, clap it out. Good job. So, what kind of experience did you have with coding prior to Hour of Code?
In my old school, we did Scratch.
Did Scratch? Okay, and actually the 21 Things for Students has the Scratch program in there. Have you had an opportunity to visit? Okay, so go ahead and check that out. You're going to be introduced to Scratch in Quest 3. Young man. No, I know you didn't just walk in my class. You're going to back up, and you're going to turn around, and you're going to go wherever you belong, because we don't do that in here. No, you can't talk to him about anything without a pass.
Did you pass this already?
Okay, so when you get to, so in Quest 3, see right here, code.org. Code.org is what we use for the Hour of Code program, right? But it's also a resource that's part of the 21 Things for Students program that we are completing to learn how to code. So Scratch is very good. So nice. That's wonderful. Your previous school engaged you in a beneficial learning experience, and it has helped you here. Okay, have you learned something even more?
Maya Jefferson, please come to
What's
the
that?
main office. Maya Jefferson. report to
Okay,
the main
okay,
office.
very
Thank
good.
you.
And that's what matters. Very good, very good. Good job, 7th hour. I see growth in you. You guys are going places. Look at Joseph working. Colton having fun. Even though it's a game, it's a process. Because tomorrow it's going to look a little bit different. Because 7th hour is like a day behind ours. Second, 4th, and 5th. So this is really, really exciting to see how they're progressing. I see the excitement.